making videos.
How many subscribers have you got?
84.
And how many do you need to get shock absorbers like Daddy?
100.
Have you got enough yet?
No.
You going to make more videos for people?
Yeah.
How many more are you going to make? Lots?
Lots.
Or just one?
Not one, lot.
Lots?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You promise?
Yes.
You're going to say thank you to people who have?
Thank you
For
who people have made videos.
you mean people who subscribe to yours?
Subscribe to them. I love playing with my cars and I love making videos. No. I've got 84
subscribers.
subscribers.
How many do you need?
I need 100.
What do you get when you get 100?
I don't know.
First
I
thing-
love playing with my cars and I love making videos. Got 84 subscribers. When I've got 100, Daddy's done buy me some shocks for my car. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Bye.